Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with the video. There you go, guys. Okay, so I'm quite tired. It's very late. I just had to go save Labib again on the motorway, guys. Yeah, he had a tire puncture, and yeah, no tire kit, no nothing, no spare tire. These new cars have nothing in them. So yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Rainbow. It's called Rainbow Mirage. Oh no, GameMax Mirage, I think they're called. Yeah, the GameMax Mirage Rainbow or whatever. So these are 120 millimeters, which is like the standard that most gaming PC uses. You see, the 120, 140 people use, and sometimes people use 200 millimeters in their cases. Depends really, but this is like a very popular size that I used a lot by case manufacturers. So yeah, so compared to the ones I was seeing them for like £15 each. So one of these were like £15 each, not this brand but like Corsair and stuff. One fan of 125 millimeters with RGB was £15 each. So if you put out 15, 30, 45, 60 quid on 4 fans, whereas here I paid, currently it's on sale at £3.98 a piece. So these are on sale for £3.98. They usually sell for £6.50. So it's about £3 saved there, which is good. So on top of that, I got another £7 off. So you add these up, it was about £15 something. Then I knocked off another £7 because Amazon pickup. If you do Amazon pickup for the first time, they give you £7 off. That's what I did. So altogether I paid 8 quid, which is about 2, 4, 6, 8, £2 a piece for the fan, guys. RGB fan, ARGB fan, guys. That is extremely cheap. Like, even if it's faulty, you can't really be angry. But yeah, you can be angry, but you know, because you did still pay money. But yeah, these are the fans. GameMax Rainbow. With ever increasing need for cooling of computer components due to the increased performance of the Mirage. So these actually don't have LEDs on the actual fan. It's just the rings of lights, which is pretty cool. That's what I like. I wouldn't have minded if they had some on the fan as well, but I think this is enough anyway, especially at this price point. So I'm really happy with that. And it's got a vibration thing in it, some sort of a vibration. Can't remember what it was. Something vibration thing, so it stops from vibrating. It's like a vibration deadener or whatever it's called. Okay, so that's the speed. You can do from 200 RPM to 1100. Okay, noise level 25 decibels, quite low. Output power, okay. Bearing type is hydro bearing. 3-pin power, so it is ARGB Aura Sync. Can you see the Acer Aura Sync? MSI's Mystic Light Sync. So you can use on MSI cases or Asus cases. I'm planning to get an MSI case, and they use ARGB. ARGB is like a smart. It's like a smarter. It's like a pin. It's just smarter, basically. It's just smarter. It all links in with their system that they have, which means you can control it from the desktop with the app, or you can control it from the button on the case, you know. Whereas if you just have the normal, so ARGB comes with a 3-pin adapter. If you have normal RGB, it's just 4 pins, and with the 4-pin one you can't do any of that. The case one you might be able to, but for apps, controlling with apps and stuff, you won't be able to do it on its own. You'll need a controller, a console thing, like a controller, you plug all these into one console thing inside of the case. Fan controller, RGB fan controller, whatever it's called. But yeah, that's the good thing about this one, is ARGB. So ARGB is just literally plug into the motherboard, or if you have a splitter, plug into that, and these can be all function just from that, straight just from that, which is mental. So this is like the newer tech of fan technology, I guess, if you want to say that. Alright, let's go ahead, open one of these. So at this price point, I'm real happy. Okay, let's go see what you get inside. So I've got 4 here. Alright, got some screws, should be 4 there, yeah, that's to mount it on. So I am looking, like I said, I'm doing a gaming PC build. I'm going to slowly buy up everything. So I'm looking to buy a, because it's Black Friday sales on right now, I'm looking to buy a, what do you call it, a gaming case as well, like a PC case. At the moment money is quite tight because my insurance has gone up by £200. It's meant to go down since I've not had any claims, nothing. Instead it's gone up, guys. You tell me, how does that work, guys? So I'm paying 1700, which is mental. But yeah, I'm going to look around anyway. Hopefully I can get cheaper than that on the BMW. And then the Golf is another 1000 something, because it has, you can only use no claims bonus on one car, guys. Obviously I'm going to use on the more expensive car, otherwise the BMW insurance would be like 5-6 grand, which is mental then. Alright guys, so this is the actual fan itself. Let's pull it out. These are the wires. Ooh. Don't want to damage anything. Carefully pull this out. I think this is plugged in at the moment to the fan. Seems like it. Maybe I just need to open this up. Okay. Hope to have the 4-pin on here so I can test it for this car, this video. Oh no, I'll rip in the box a bit. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video while I pull this out. I don't want to rip this box anymore, just in case it is faulty and I have to return it back. Now, I'm not going to lie guys, that is one sexy fan. Gloss black. You got the ring that you can see, that's obviously going to light up. And yeah, you do have a 4-pin there. So maybe I might be able to test it out. We just might not have any control over the lights, which is fine by me. As long as we can connect it up. Let's have a look. What's this? Don't think this bit comes off, does it? No. I think that might be the infrared or something. I don't know. Maybe. That might be a remote. I'm not entirely sure what this is. If anyone knows, let me know, guys. Yeah, you got your 3-pin there. I think this is for splitters, if you're plugging in from there. There's your 3-pin ARGB connector. There's your 4-pin Molex or whatever it's called. Let's see what I can do. I'll try to plug it into a PC. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Yeah, let me go bring my PC downstairs, guys. So the rest all should be exact same as this. So yeah, let's I'll go bring my PC downstairs. Fucking hell, that's AIDS, but yeah, I'll be back, guys. Well, guys, as you can see, fan works fine, completely fine. Plugged in there, the old gaming PC, the basic one. It is quiet, guys. But it's not running at high speed anyway. Not bad, guys. But yeah, we haven't got any RGB because I don't think we have a RGB connector. Let's see. This is an old PC, so I'm guessing it needs to connect there to be able to use this RGB. So for now, all I can test is whether or not the fans just run. Yeah, this is the old gaming PC, the basic one. So if I look inside, to say it's been sat there for years, no dust in there, mental, apart from on the graphics card. So yeah, so you can power it through the 3-pin there, as you can see. That was a bit of a headache to get to. That's the old fan, obviously. So ARGB has to be powered. So that powers, that's the power cable. This is your RGB cable. So yeah, don't think I can test that part for you today. This is too old of a PC. So yeah, guess we won't be testing that today. Let me order a new motherboard. New motherboard, new case, and yeah, stay tuned. I'll add it into the end of this video what they look like once they're powered up. But yeah, for now I'll just test if the fans work. This works fine, makes absolutely no noise. Very quiet guys, so yeah.